Welcome! In today's video, we're diving into the latest WhatsApp web update and showing you how to remove a group photo on your PC. This process is simple and quick, so let's get started. First, open WhatsApp web on your computer. You can do this by visiting web.whatsapp.com and logging in with your account. If you haven't logged in yet, simply scan the QR code using the WhatsApp app on your phone. Once you're logged in, locate the group whose photo you want to remove. Click on the group chat to open it. At the top of the chat window, you'll see the group name displayed. Click on it to access the group settings. Now in the group settings menu, look for the option labeled Change Group Icon. This is where you can manage the group's profile picture. Click on it, and you'll see several options pop up. From these options, select Remove Photo. A confirmation message will appear asking if you're sure about removing the photo. Click Confirm to finalize your action, and that's it. The group photo has now been successfully removed. The space where the image used to be will revert to a default placeholder icon. This new update makes managing groups even easier on WhatsApp web. Whether you're tidying up or simply want a fresh start for your group, removing a photo is now just a few clicks away. Thank you for watching. If this tutorial was helpful, don't forget to like and share it with others who might need it. Subscribe for more tips and tricks to make your digital life smoother. See you in the next video.